Okay, right now you're looking at the sneakers that came out. It's the sorry, you can't see it that clear, but just saying. Okay, this is the Retro 9 in black and white citrus. Looking nice, right? Tangerine inside, the sign on the back. Well, I got it, as you can see. Oh yes. Anyways, yep, it looks nice. I will really tell you to buy this soon because it's awesome. It fits you perfectly, especially for basketball because inside it got the ankle thing. Yep, and it says Air Jordans. Have the sign. Another, it has the Jumpman. It has language. It has French. They got 19.94 on the back. So this right here is the Retro 9 that came out. Hi, this speaking to Abdul. Yep. Anyways, if you do like this sneaker, I will tell you to buy it. It's awesome. It really is. Okay. And while this is my little brother's, obviously he copied me. Don't know why. Don't care. He is annoying. Anyways, his is the Retro 9 in blue and white. Yep. I kind of think his is better, because it's in blue and white. It looks nice though. It's awesome. Same thing. Something do in the back. Nice. Jumping on the side looks nice. It's clean. Ours is both clean, except for, or maybe on there. On there, you have the Jumpman. Yep. That. It looks nice. Anyways, I just came to show you what a good sneaker is if you want to buy anything. You know. Thank you. My name is Abdul Jalal. Hope I get 1,000 views by like the next 2 months. These sneakers are fresh. Yep. Oh yeah, and leave some comments saying which sneaker you like best. The black and white citrus, or the white and universal blue. Anyways, Abdul Jalal speaking to you. Doses!